Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to see the introduction of our topic, time and work. So basically time and work is a very important topic for our ICET exam and it revolves only around a single concept, which is, let us see the concept of time and work. The time and work concept here is work is equals to time multiplied by efficiency. So work is equals to time into efficiency. If we know this particular formula, we can solve the time and work very simply. So let us see an example and understand this formula. So first question is here. There are 100 chocolates in a box. A can eat these chocolates in how many days? He is eating these chocolates in 20 days. So A is eating these chocolates in 20 days. So days here, days represents time. And 100 chocolates, there are how many chocolates? 100 chocolates. So this is what this 100 chocolates he should eat. So he is doing this particular work. Now if he is eating 100 chocolates in 20 days, he is eating how many chocolates? 100 chocolates in 20 days. For one day, in one day, how many chocolates will he eat? He is eating 100 chocolates in 20 days. Then in one day, he will be eating 5 chocolates. So the efficiency of A is 5. So here the efficiency, I am writing efficiency like this because 20 into 5 is 100. Okay. So 100 chocolates. In the same way, B is eating this particular 100 chocolates in how many days? He is eating these chocolates in 25 days. So B is eating in how many days? 25 days. So if B is eating this 100 chocolates in 25 days, then in one day how many chocolates will he eat? So he should eat 100 chocolates. He should eat 100 chocolates in 25 days. 25 4. So he is eating 4 chocolates per day. So here let us see left side, days, efficiency and work. So days multiplied by efficiency, days multiplied by efficiency is equals to work. So let us see what in this question is he asking. If A and B together eat these chocolates, now in this question A and B, both of them are starting to eat. They are starting to eat, both of them. So in how many days will they finish? So let us see the efficiency of A plus B. Efficiency of A plus B is equals to A is eating 5 chocolates per day and B is eating 4 chocolates per day. So the efficiency is 9. So the efficiency is 9 and the total work or total chocolates to be eaten is 100. Total chocolates to be eaten is 100. So let us substitute these values in our formula, which is work is equals to time multiplied by efficiency, or here the time is days. So in this particular formula, days is written as days is equals to work divided by efficiency. Now we have to find the value of D. So the total work should be completed. They should eat how many chocolates? They should eat 100 chocolates and these 100 chocolates are to be eaten by who? A and B, both of them are eating. So because 100 chocolates should be eaten by A plus B, then A plus B efficiency is 9. So our answer D value is 100 by 9. 100 by 9 can be written as 11.11 days. 11.11 days or 11 1 by 11 days. So 11 1 by 9, sorry, 11 1 by 9 days. So regarding this particular formula, we have to solve like this. Okay. Now if you understand this particular concept very clearly, you can solve time and work questions very simply. Now let us see the second question. So the second question says A can do a piece of work in 15 days, B can do the same work in 30 days. So A is doing this work in 15 days and B is doing this particular work in 30 days. So this is days. Okay. Now let us assume the total work or the total chocolates as some value. So what will be that value? That value will be the LCM of whatever numbers are available to us. So let us assume our total work as 15, 30 LCM. So LCM of 15 and 30 is 30. So the total work is 30 or they have to eat 30 chocolates. The total chocolates are 30 chocolates. If A is eating 30 chocolates in 15 days, in one day he is eating how many chocolates? So he is eating 2 chocolates per day, or he is doing 2 units of work per day. In the same way, let us see, if 30 chocolates, B is eating 30 chocolates for 30 days, then in one day he is eating how many chocolates? So simply the efficiency is nothing but work divided by days, or days multiplied by efficiency is equal to what? So 15 twos are 30. In the same way 30 ones are 30. So now the efficiency of A is 2, efficiency of B is 1. Okay, now let us see in how many days will A and B, both of them are working. So A plus B, the efficiency of A plus B here is, the efficiency of A is 2 and efficiency of B is 1. So 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is, now they have to complete the total work of 30 work. The efficiency of A plus B is 3. So 30 by 3 is 10. So the answer is 10. Because days is equals to work divided by efficiency, they have to complete 30 units of work or 30 work, and they are doing 3 units of work or 3 works in one day. So our answer is 30 by 3, which is 10. Now coming to the next question, which says A can do a piece of work in 4 days, B can do the same work in 8 days, and C can do the same work in 12 days. Now here C has also joined them. Now A is doing 4 days, B is doing this work in 8 days, and C is doing this work in 12 days. Let us take the LCM as 24 itself. 4 6 are 24, 3 8 are 24, 12 2 are 24. These are days, these are efficiency, and this is work, because days multiplied by efficiency gives me the work. So 4 6. Now what are the efficiency of A, B and C? The efficiency of A is 6 and the efficiency of B is 3 and the efficiency of C is 2. Now what I have to do, I have to complete this work and all of them are working, and here A, B and C, 3 of them are working. So 24 units of work or 24 work should be completed by A, B and C. The efficiency of A is 6, efficiency of B is 3 and the efficiency of C is 2. So 24 divided by 11. So 24 divided by 11 can be written as 11 twos are 22 and 11 twos are 22. The remainder is what? The remainder here is 2 by 11. So 22 2 by 11. So our answer is 22 2 by 11 days. Okay. Now coming to the next question. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. So here A plus B are doing this work in how many days? 12 days. And A alone is doing this work in how many days? 18 days. Now I have to find in how many days B alone will do this work. Let us take the LCM of 12 and 18. 12 and 18, the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. 12 threes are 36, these are days, these are efficiency, and this is the work. 12 threes are 36 and 18 twos are 36. So here, after seeing this, I can say that efficiency of A plus B is 3. Efficiency of A plus B is 3 and the efficiency of A is how much? Efficiency of A is 2. Now substituting efficiency of A here, 2 plus B is equals to 3. Then I am getting the efficiency of B as 1. So if B's efficiency is 1, then the number of days is equals to work upon efficiency. Here 36 by 1 is 36. So B will be doing this particular work in how many days? B will alone do this work in 36 days. So our answer is 36. Now coming to the next question. A and B together can do this piece of work in 3 days. So here A plus B are working. If they are working together, they are doing this work in 3 days. Then B plus C are working. If B plus C are working, they are doing this particular work in 9 days. And C plus A are working. If C plus A are working, they are doing this particular work in 12 days. So let us take the LCM of this value, which is 36. 12 threes are 36. Okay. 4 nines are 36 and 12 threes are 36. Days, efficiencies and work. Days multiplied by efficiency is equals to work. Now in this question, in how many days will the work be completed if all of them are working? Now A, B, C, 3 of them should work. Now, from this I can say that the efficiency of A plus B is equals to 12. The efficiency of A plus B is what? 12. And the efficiency of B plus C is what? 4. In the same way, the efficiency of C plus A is 3. So if I add all of these three values, I am getting the left side value as there are 2 A's, 2 B's and 2 C's. So the left side is 2 times of A plus B plus C is equals to 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. 2 times of A plus B plus C is 19. Then A plus B plus C is equals to 19 upon 2. So the efficiency of A plus B plus C is 19 upon 2. Now we have to find the days. We know that days is equals to work divided by efficiency. So they have to complete 36 of work, 36 units of work, and the efficiency of A plus B plus C, because A plus B plus C together are working here. So the efficiency is 19 upon 2. So our answer is 36 into 2 divided by 19. 36 2 is 72 divided by 19. So our answer is 72 by 19 days. Or in our questions, they will give this value in QRD form, which is 1972 divided by 19. 19 3s are 19 3s are 57. So then the remainder is 15. So this can be written as 315 by 19 days. In our options, if they want to give, they can give 72 by 19 or they can give 315 by 19. Both of them, either of them will be available in our options. Okay. Now coming to the next question. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do the same work in 15 days. So A is doing this work in 10 days. B is doing this work in 15 days. Now B works for 5 days and leaves. So in this question he is saying that B is only working for how many days? 5 days. No, now he is saying that B only works for 5 days and leaves. Then after leaving of B, then A comes, then A joins and A completes the alone work. So A completes the work himself alone. So in how many days did the work completed? Now let us see the LCM of 10 and 15. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. Days, efficiency and work. Days, efficiency and work. In this question he is saying that B works for 5 days. So B is working for how many days? 5 days. In one day, or the efficiency of B is 2. Efficiency of B is 2 units. So let us assume our total work as 30 units. So in one day B is doing 2 units of work. In 5 days he is saying that B has worked for how many days? 5 days. In 5 days, how many units of work will he do? He will be doing 10 units of work. So he will be doing how many units of work? 10 units of work. If he has done 10 units of work, then how much work is pending now? So let us find the remaining work. Remaining work is equal to the total work is 30 units, and out of this 30 units of work, 20 units of work, 10 units of work has been completed by B. So 30 units is the total work. Now 10 units have been completed by B. 30 minus 10 is 20. So now the remaining work is 20 units. The remaining work is how much? 20 units. Now A is joining. Now A is starting to work. So he is saying that A completes the work alone. Now A has to complete all the 30 units of work or the work which has been remaining. So A has to complete the remaining work itself. So A has to do only 20 units of work. So days is equals to A has to do how much units of work? 20 units of work. And A can do how much? A can do in one day 3 units of work, or the efficiency of A is 3. So 20 divided by 3 is 3 6 are 18. 6 2 by 3 days. 6 2 by 3 days. And in the start B has worked for how many days? 5 days. B has worked for 5 days. So in this question he is asking how many days did the work last. So in this question the work has started by B for 5 days and it has been ended by A by working 6 2 by 3 days. So our answer is 5 plus 6 2 by 3 days, which is 11 2 by 3 days. So our answer is 11 2 by 3 days, because the total work has been completed after working for 11 2 by 3 days. If in this question, if he asked how many days did the A work, how many days did A work, so that at that time our answer will be 6 2 by 3, but the total work has been completed for 11 2 by 3 days. So our answer is 11 2 by 3 days. So our next question, in the previous video we have solved 1 to 6 questions. In this question, in this video we are going to solve from the question number 7. So let us see. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. So A is doing this work in how many days? 20 days. Now B can do the same work in 30 days. So B is doing this work in how many days? 30 days. Now in this question he is saying that B leaves 5 days before the completion of work. So B is not staying till the completion of work. He is leaving 5 days prior to the completion of work. So let us say, let the work be completed in X days. Let the work has been completed in X days. Okay, work has been completed in X days. Now, so B is leaving after, so before 5 days of the completion of work. B is leaving before 5 days completion of work, and A is staying from the start till the end. So I can say that A has worked for X days, because A is in the work from the start till end. Then B is leaving the work before 5 days of completion. So if the work completes in X days, he is leaving before 5 days, because he is leaving before 5 days. Then the days he worked is X minus 5 days. X minus 5 days. So let us find the total work here. 20 and 30. LCM of 20 and 30 is 60. 23s, 32s. This is the efficiency. This is the work. This is the work. Now, these are days worked by A and B. These are the efficiencies of A and B. Efficiencies of A is 3. Efficiency of B is 2. We know that total work or work is equals to days multiplied by efficiency. So the total work is how much? 60 units of work. Now X has worked for how many days? X has worked for X days with an efficiency of, so X multiplied by 3. Instead of working with A, B is also working. So with A, B is also working. So here efficiency of B is 2, and the days, how many days did B work? B has worked for X minus 5 days. Okay, X minus 5 days. Then after adding this should be equal to 60. So let us see. X multiplied by 3 is 3x plus 2x minus 10, which is 60. Then 60 is equals to 5x minus 10. Then the x value is equals to 70 by 5. 70 by 5 gives me 14. So x value is 14. Now in this question, what did he ask? How many days did A work? So A has worked for X days, which is 14, and B has worked for 14 minus 5 days, which is 9 days. So A has worked for 4 days and B has worked for 9 days. So our answer is 14 and 9. Next, coming to the next question, which says A can do a piece of work in 40 days, B can do the same work in 15 days. So A is doing this work in 40 days and B is doing this particular work in 50 days. Okay, days. Both begin together, but after some time A leaves off. So we don't know when A is leaving off. Let us assume A leaves after working for X days. So A is working for X days and then he is leaving. Okay. In this case, B finishes the remaining work in 20 days. In this particular case, B is finishing the remaining work in how many days? 20 days. So let us see 40 and 50. These are days. Let us take the LCM of 40 and 50 as 200. So efficiency of A is 5. Efficiency of B is 4. This is the total work. So let us see how many days did A work and how many days did B work. So we know that A has only worked for x days, and B. So B has started his work along with A. So in the start or in the beginning of our work, A and B, both of them have started the work, and after X days, A has left the work and B continued the work. So I can say that B has worked for X days with A. B has worked for how many days? X days with A, and after leaving of A, he has also worked for how many days? 20 days. So B has worked for a total of X plus 20 days. So B has worked for how many days? X plus 20 days, and efficiency of A is 5, efficiency of B is 4. We know that total work is equals to days multiplied by efficiency. So here the total work is 200. The days worked by A is X, efficiency of A is 5, plus days worked by B is X plus 20, and the efficiency of B is 4. So which is 5x plus 4x plus 80 is equals to 200. Then 9x is equals to 200 minus 80. 200 minus 80 gives me a value of 120. Then the value of x is equals to, value of x is 120 upon 9, which is 40 by 3. 40 by 3 can be further simplified as 3 10s are 30, 13 1 by 3 days. Okay, 13 1 by 3 days. So our answer is 13 1 by 3. In our question, what did he ask? After how many days did A leave? So A has left after X days. So we have found the value of X. The value of X is 13 1 by 3. Here 13 1 by 3. Now coming to the next question. So Ramu can do a work in 15 days and Kiran is 50% more efficient than Ramu. Here he is giving the efficiency ratios of Ramu and Kiran. So let us see Ramu and Kiran. So Kiran is 50% more efficient than Ramu. If Ramu's efficiency is 100, if Ramu's efficiency is 100, then Kiran's efficiency is 50% more than Ramu, which will become 150. So the efficiency ratio of Ramu and Kiran is 52 is 100, 53 is a. So the efficiency ratio of Ramu and Kiran is 2:3. So this is their ratio. So now Ramu is working for how many days in order to complete? He is working 15 days to complete that work. But we have to find in how many days will Kiran complete this work. So we know the ratio of efficiencies of Ramu and Kiran. So the efficiency of Ramu is 2 and the efficiency of Kiran is 3. This is efficiency, this is work. So we know that days multiplied by efficiency gives us work. So 15 2s are 30. In the same way, work divided by efficiency gives me days. 30 divided by 3 gives me 10. So Kiran will be completing this particular work in how many days? 10 days. So our answer is 10 days. Okay. Now coming to the next question. So this question is very important for our exam because it was being asked since 2 or 3 years. Okay. Now this model is called as AND model. Okay. Let us see how shall we solve this question. So here 4 men and 6 women can complete a piece of work in 8 days. So 4 men and 6 women are completing this piece of work in how many days? 8 days. Let us take this as equation 1. And in the same way, 3 men and 7 women. 3 men and 7 women are completing this work in how many days? 10 days. Are completing this work in how many days? 10 days. So let us see. If I want to complete this particular work in 1 day itself, I have to complete this work in 1 day itself. Am I going to require more men or less men? Am I going to require more men or less men? Simply I can say that if I want to complete this work in 1 day, I want more men than previous. So how many more men? We can find this value by multiplying this 8. So 4 8s are 32 men plus 6 8s are 48. So if 4 men plus 6 women are doing this work in 8 days, then 32 men plus 48 women. 32 men plus 48 women will do this work in 1 day. In the same way, 3 men and 7 women are doing this work in 10 days, then let us multiply this value for both of them. 30 men plus 70 women will do this work in 1 day. So the left side and the right side, both of them are what? Both of them are 1 day working people. So let us equate them. 32 men plus 48 women is equals to 30 men plus 70 women. So 32 minus 30 gives me 2 men. 2 men is equals to 70 minus 48. 70 minus 48 is 22 women, or I can say 1 man is equals to 11 women. 1 man is equals to 11 women. Okay. Now let us substitute this value in equation 1. We know that 4 men plus 6 women are doing this work in 8 days. If 1 man is equals to 11 women, then 4 men will be equal to 44 women. So instead of 4 men, can I write 44 women? Yes, 44 women plus 6 women will do this work in 8 days. Then 50 women are doing this work in 8 days. So I have written like this. Now in our question, what did he ask? He asked in how many days 10 women will complete this work. In how many days 10 women will complete this work. So let us apply the chain rule here. The chain rule says m1 d1 h1 divided by w1 is equals to m2 d2 h2 divided by w2. So here m1 is this value and d1 is this. Because 50 women are doing this work in 8 days, we have to find in how many days 10 women will be doing. So this is d2. Let us assume this as x. We know that m1 d1 is equals to m2 d2. So m1 here is 50 multiplied by d1 is 8 is equals to m2 here is what? m2 is 10 multiplied by d2 is 8. 0 0 gets cancelled. The value of x is 40. So 10 women will complete this particular work in how many days? 40 days. So our answer is 40. So you should by heart or remember this and concept very clearly. Okay. Now coming to the next question. The next question says 10 women can complete a piece of work in 7 days. So 10 women are completing this work in how many days? 7 days. If 10 women are completing this work in 7 days, then 70 women will complete this work in 1 day. Simply say. Then in the same way, 10 boys are completing this work in 14 days. Then 140 boys will complete this work in 1 day. Both of them are 1 day people. So 70 women is equals to 140 boys. 70 women is equals to 140 boys. In the same way, 1 woman is equals to 2 boys. I can say that 1 woman is equals to 2 boys. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Let us. In our question, what did he ask? How many days will 5 women? So we have to find 5 women plus 10 boys. In how many days will they complete this work? So can I write if 1 woman is 2 boys, then 5 women can be written as 10 boys. Instead of 5 women, can I write 10 boys? Yes. 10 boys plus 10 boys will be completing this work in how many days? So if 20 boys are completing this work in x days. So let us take the boys example, which is equation 2 here. We know that 10 boys will complete in 14 days. This is m1, this is d1, this is m2, and this is d2. Okay. Now applying the m1 d1 m2 d2 formula here. So m1 is 10, d1 is 14, m2 is 20, d2 is x. Okay. So 10 2s are 20, 2 7s are 14. So the value of x is here what? 7. So 5 women plus 10 boys will complete this particular work in 7 days. So our answer is 7 days. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which says 6 men or 8 women can complete this work in 43 days. So here 6 men, here observe this. This is another model which says or. So whenever you see or in time and work, you can simply assume it as is equals to. So 6 men are completing this work in 43 days. In the same way, 8 women are completing this work in 43 days. So left side and right side, both of them are completing in 43 days. Then I can say that 6 men is equals to 8 women. Then 3 men is equals to 4 women. 3 men is equals to how much? 4 women. And also I can say that 3 men divided by 4 is equals to women. Sorry, here women. Okay. 3 men is equals to 4 women, then women is equals to 3 men plus 3 men divided by 4. Now, in our question, what did he ask? He asked for in how many days 7 men and 18 women will complete this work. 7 men and 18 women can complete this work. We know that 1 woman or W, the value of W is equals to 3 by 4 m. So 7 m plus 18 multiplied by 3 by 4 m. Okay, 3 by 4 men. So 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Then 14 men plus 3 9s are 27 men divided by 2. So 14 and 27 gives me 41. So 41 by 2 men will be completing in X days. We have to find the value of X. Now we know that 6 men will complete in 43 days. So this is M1, this is D1, this is M2, and this is D2. Let us substitute here. So M1 is 6, D1 is 43, and M2 is 41 upon 2, and D2 is X. So the value of X is equals to 6 into 43 into 2 divided by 41. So our answer is this value. Okay. Now in this question, the calculation is little bit tricky. So in our questions, in our ICET exam, there will not be questions something like this. There will be some simpler questions. Okay. No need to worry about. Or you can simply multiply all of these values and divide it with 41. You will be getting the days option. Okay. Now, so these are all the types of questions and models of questions being asked in our ICET examinations. Hope you understand them. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.